so today we have a pretty interesting day, so I'm gonna get straight to it. As you guys can tell, I'm in my car right now, driving back home after work. I just left the hospital, worked like a 9-hour shift. I'm literally dying, but it's okay, I like it. Anyways, so we do have a Brabus kitted GLE 63S that one of my buddies just installed on his GLE. It's a 2024 Alpine Gray, red guts with black, with a black trim on the exterior, or in the interior, sorry. And it looks so hard. So I seen it yesterday at night, but I want to bring you guys along and show you guys what it looks like. I made a little TikTok video about it, posted it up on my Instagram and my TikTok, so you guys can feel free to check that out. But I just want to see this thing in person with better lighting, because I know it's gonna look so sick. So basically what he did was, obviously he got the GLE 63S. He decided to up it a bit. So what he did was add a full Brabus kit to it, just the kit. So no performance, nothing. It's just all cosmetics and aesthetic. And what he did was decide to fully PPF it to protect the paint and add a nice Starlight headliner. Bro, this freaking radar is so annoying. Anyways, sorry about that. So I just turned that off. So yeah, he did all that to the truck, and that ran him about 35 G's, maybe 40. I'm really not sure, but it cost him a lot of money. So he decided to do that, and all I can say is that was money well spent. So I seen it yesterday again at night, but obviously I want to see it in the day or with better lighting to see what it looks like. And I know you guys too, because this is something real nice. So yeah, so right now, as you guys can see, again, like I said, I just came back from work. I'm about to go home, change, do whatever I gotta do, bring you guys with me, because this thing's about to be sick. I'm starving, so I'm gonna see what I got at home to eat. Actually, I don't even see if my mom or if anyone's home, see if they cooked anything good for me, but I don't know. Let's take a look. Hello? I guess no one's home. Alright, anyways, let's see. Let's get some light in here. Why is this house so depressing? Oh, look at that. Time to eat. I low-key lied. What I'm about to do is have my whey protein, because I'm about to go to the gym later after I see this guy's truck or SUV. I don't know why I keep calling it a truck. So yeah, I'm gonna have the whey protein. Take it with my creatine as well. Let that focus. I just started creatine, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get to like 185. I'm at 175, but I think it's time I gain weight. And I have a stupid fast metabolism, so someone was like, you know what, you should try creatine. I was like, all right, why not? See how that goes, but I'm going to have whey protein and see how that goes with the creatine. Honestly, it hasn't been too bad so far, but I've just been like, literally at this point, like I live in the bathroom, which I guess is supposed to be good, because it's all water weight and stuff, but I don't know if I'm drinking too much water, but we'll see. So I've only been on it now, like, this is my 4th, going on 5th day, I believe. And yeah, that's pretty much it, but I'll see the progress. I think they told me that usually you'll see progress within like 2 to 4 weeks, so 2 weeks to a month or so. Well, I guess it just varies and it depends on everyone, so. But why does this look like straight up Coke? Oh my god. Come on. Look at this. It's like straight up cocaine. But don't worry, it's not. It's obviously creatine. So it says 5 milligrams. I'm going to do a little more. Try getting like 7 maybe. Just because I need it. But yeah, I'll be posting about like my physique every now and then on my Instagram. So you guys can go check that out if you want to keep up with that. But, so we got that done. And then, oh my god. And then wait, we need water. Right, so here's the water. I think I'm gonna use like a bottle and a half maybe. Then if I'm really feeling it, I'll probably mix it up with like a banana, but I think I'm not gonna do a banana because I already had a banana today in the morning. So let's give this a try. Oh, that's done. Time to drink up. Hits every time. I low-key do need like a bigger barrel, so these bags are not gonna cut it. But yeah, anyways, today I really cannot wait to see this guy's truck or SUV. Bro, I'm gonna kill myself if I keep saying truck. It's an SUV. Anyway, so I cannot wait. So, in my opinion, honestly, I've always liked the GLC better. There's nothing wrong with the GLE. I don't know, the GLE and the X6. I mean, it's not that I hate how they're shaped. I don't know. I like, for BMWs, I like the X5M. And then for AMG and Mercedes, I like the GLCs. I don't know, it's just my cup of tea, but, you know, still beautiful SUVs either way. But I just want to know, like how rare is a fully, like, put together Brabus GLE? Like, performance, cosmetics, wheels, everything. Like, that's insane. I think that costs, like, what, $350,000? That's wild. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this, do what I gotta do, and take you guys with me. I cannot wait. All right, so as you guys can see now, it's dark. I'm on the way right now as we speak, literally to the shop. So hopefully he's there before me. If not, we're probably just gonna have to wait for him a bit, but that's not too bad. The guys that own the shop are my boys. Been knowing them for a while now, and they usually have a lot of nice cars in there for you guys to take a look at. So that'll be fine. But I just can't wait to get there. Hopefully, again, he's there before me. But in the meantime, we're just gonna wait, drive there, and see what happens. All right, and we are here. Where's the shop? Okay, it's gonna be right here on my right. Hold on, hopefully I don't. Oh, it's so steep over here. Okay, not trying to destroy my front lip. All right, so let's get close to it. Hopefully the lighting will help. If not, I'll just have to show you guys. K&A Customs, baby. Let's see what they got. Alright, so here it is from the back. He just needs to fix this up. He needs to bolt it on again. But man, look how nice this thing looks, bro. This is so nuts. Carbon fiber diffuser with the tips. Carbon rear spoiler. Just carbon fiber everywhere. This thing is so hard. And then here's the front of the car. Just straight carbon everywhere. Man. So my camera just died, but we're back. So this got welded on, right? Oh, this got put on, right? So now it's not gonna fall off on both sides over here. But as you guys can see, there's no muffler at tip. So this is the tip right here. Tomorrow it's gonna go get welded on. Hold on, I'm gonna let her show Brabus B. Watch out, Eddie. That's so sick. So this is gonna sit right in here. And it's gonna get welded on. Let me show you guys what that looks like. So it's gonna look like this. So tomorrow that'll be there. I'll probably post a update on it on my Instagram and see how that looks. But bro, this is gonna look so sick. This carbon fiber is insane. So now this piece won't fall off. We originally had problems with it. Let me see if I can get under. There's like some screws that are in. So I don't know if you guys can see right there. They're all like bolted on. So now it's better. But tomorrow it's gonna look way better, and I'll show you guys the finished product. That's so clean. All right, so between the 4x4 squared, let me zoom out real quick. Between the 4x4 squared, the G63 Brabus is my personal favorite, and the GLE over there. Which one's your guys' favorite? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. Personally, I'm gonna go with the G-Wag, but let me know what you guys think. Babe, honestly, which one do you think is better? The Brabus, the squared? You like the 4x4 squared? Bro, I don't know. Between the 4x4 and the Brabus.
This could be this.
What'd you say? Said this could be this?
No, this could be the Brabus.
Yeah.
The Brabus could never be a 4x4.
True. But I don't know. Don't you think this is too high? You like it, huh? Bro, I made a video on this thing. It's huge. Look at this. This is actually huge. And then of course we have the Charger, Challenger. Honestly, I would prefer the slim body over the wide body, just because I like the Challenger more than the Charger. But I don't know, it's pretty cool to have them both, considering that, I don't know if you get a close up, they both have red guts. So they got, this one has red guts, and so does this one, which is pretty cool. And then there's this EV Hummer, which honestly I'm not a fan of, but I'm not gonna lie, this interior on this is hard. Let's see. Look at that. Hummer EV. Oh, damn. Alright, let me see the back of this. It's actually pretty cool as well, but it's obviously messy. They're working on it. But, man, I'm not for any electric cars, but I don't know. I like the interior on this, but honestly, I like the OG version better. That's pretty much gonna do it for the video. I low-key gotta go. Michigan's playing for the national championship. I gotta watch that. So if you guys are new here, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I gotta leave. But let me know what you guys think about this video.